I'm going to show you how the greatest player in each of my favorite sports made every day count to become the greatest player in their sport. But I'm also going to talk about how I applied some of the things that they did. So not only would I get better in sports, but I would actually get better in life in general. Let's start off with the greatest football player of all time, Ronaldo. I do not care what you say. No way it's that freaking Messi guy, alright, bro? If it's not Ronaldo, it's Mbappe. Dude, that one Lamine Yamal, bro, he's actually cracked. I can't even hate on him. Cristiano Ronaldo. Sui. He actually wants the success. That's such an important thing that I realized for playing sports, is that you have to want it. He's been playing for 30 years. I haven't even been alive for that long. I'm only 16. So he's been playing soccer for 2 Timothys long. That is crazy. But not only is he really driven, but he's also been playing for a super long time. He also just loves the game. He loves the speed for it. He loves when he scores. I don't think he loves when he keeps on losing in the Euros or World Cup, though. That's a little annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But another game that has a lot of speed, which you might not even have heard of, is this game called lacrosse. If you're not sure what it is, it's basically hockey, but you play it on grass or turf, and instead of dribbling the ball, you cradle it. The greatest, or one of the greatest players that I'm going to choose for this, is Paul Rabel. He was so good at the game, and he founded the PLL, which is the pro league for lacrosse. He started out by trying something new, giving it a shot in high school to see if he liked it or not. Fell in love with it because it's such a great game. I highly recommend you watching a game or trying it out because it's actually really fun. So he liked it, he kept playing, but what did he do exactly to get better? So many athletes and things have these training routines and stuff, but what do they actually do? Paul Rabel made it super simple. 100 shots on the goal every single day. But the catch was that he never missed a day. He always did 100 shots. If it was his birthday, if there was 5 inches of snow, it was blazing hot, he brought a goal with him. He made one up. If he was in New York City and it was super crowded there, he still found a fence to shoot on. He didn't make any excuses. He played in high school, he played in a good college, and he also played in the pro league. And then he made another pro league, which was better, and it's still growing right now. Paul Rabel also got some inspiration from other athletes or players, and one of those players was Michael Jordan. I would say this is my trifecta for my 3 favorite sports games. Bro, imagine I did like baseball or something boring like that. That would be crazy. But Michael Jordan also started out by liking basketball. MJ played it a lot, but he practiced a lot more. There was this one clip I saw of MJ playing basketball, and it was him in an empty court dribbling the ball and shooting it.
I can never stop working hard.
You can feel the emptiness inside the room and the echo every single time the ball hit the ground. That clip was so powerful. It really showed what it took to get to that pro status. You know, if he was at home, he probably could have got some good company. He probably could have got some good food, some good entertainment. But no, he sacrificed all of that to practice basketball alone. But it paid off. He kept practicing, he kept getting better. And sometimes that's really all it takes. I think it's this criteria which involves 3 things. You have to like the game, actually enjoy playing it, keep practicing, and then you just stay consistent and keep showing up. If you do those 3 things, you're gonna succeed. Imagine you started something right now, and then in 30 years, like Ronaldo, you just absolutely crushed it in that one thing that you love doing so much. Thinking about it like that, in 30 years, it's like no wonder Ronaldo is where he's at right now. He spent 30 years practicing, playing soccer, getting better, enjoying the game more. And it gets me thinking, I put so much pressure on myself. Why am I not good at this? Why I should be better at this right now? When I'm just starting out, like I'm 16, bro. I was way better than I was 6 months ago, but I'm comparing myself to people who've been in the game for tens and tens of years. So I'm going to talk about how this guy named Timothy applied this into his own life. That Timothy guy sounds kind of cool. But before I talk about that, if you like the video so far, my name is Timothy actually. Spoilers. I'm 16, consider subscribing because it's always free and you can change your mind. But I applied this in trying something new that I haven't really done before. I was interested in it, so I tried it. I wasn't interested in something and was like, oh no, I'm never gonna do that. You know, imagine if Michael Jordan, Ronaldo, they were interested in playing football, basketball, but they never tried it. I would not be talking about them right now if they didn't try it. So if there's something that's interesting to you that you want to do that sounds cool, try it. The perfect thing I like to think about is do something that other people will think you're crazy for doing. You think it was crazy for other people to look at Michael Jordan practicing alone in a basketball court. You think people thought Ronaldo was crazy for scoring that amazing free kick, bro? That was a banger. Do you think it was crazy when he told people that he'd been playing football for 30 years? And if you don't love something right away, learn to love it. The thing I love doing right now is talking to you. I love filming, and I'm so glad I started acting on it, because if I didn't start doing it, I don't know what video you would be watching right now, but it wouldn't be this one. But if you would like something interesting like that, growing a cool YouTube channel, click that Calendly link and book a quick call so I can see if I can help you to get to 1K or 10K subs and above. The last thing that I've been doing, which if you follow this 3 criteria thing, you would know, and that's to stay dedicated to it, stay committed. Keep showing up every single day. Do those 100 shots like Paul Rabel did in lacrosse. Find what that X thing in a day is. 100 push-ups a day, 5 emails a day, 1 video a day. Whatever it is, find that thing and keep doing it. And in 10 years, you're going to be an absolute beast. You're not going to be Mr. Beast, you're going to be Professor Beast, because you're going to absolutely kill it, bro, alright? There's this cool thing that I came up with. If you want it, you're great. If you take action on doing that, you're greater. And if you keep doing it, you're the greatest. Think about that mindset and think about, am I actually being the greatest right now? The greatest I can be? Am I being greater? Am I being great? The reason why I'm not like bad, good, amazing, because I don't want you to be upset that you're not the greatest right now, but be grateful of where you are right now. But use the Ronaldos and MJs of your position and where you want to be as motivation and inspiration instead of, oh no, I could never be like that. I really hope you can think about this video and don't forget about it. The last thing I want to say is if you want to connect yourself with hundreds of like-minded people and talk to me more, click that like-minded club in the description. It's completely free. I also have a 7-day challenge thing going on in there, which is pretty cool. Leave a comment. Let me know what you're going to do after this video, so I know you can take action on this right away instead of just watch another YouTube video and completely forget about this video. If you liked this video, thought it was cool, like it, consider subscribing. Yeah, that's all I gotta say, man. You're crushing it. You're doing great. We're doing great. And let's get greater and eventually be the greatest. I'll see you at the top, man. See ya. Goodbye. Ronaldo's the GOAT. I don't care what you say. Messi's